Magamba 18 kuma kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi jakebira na jangi 50 kaunti ya Meru kethira mbunge nene igakurukia watho bwa gwitikiria ariti ngugi ba thirikari kuthithia biashara na thirikari. Akiaria mwaria wa EACC Eric Ngumbi no ritie mbunge guchwa njira cia kung'entia andu ana unkumania endete gukurukia mawatho ja gutema kajira ga kuongera nkunkumano. Muswanda jojo jure juretete murutira jo munene jwa gisiasa jure ni mbunge wa Mbeere North Geoffrey Ruku.
Ndoa yegie ngunkumo na nkinyoto meribotho kubwa mbecha cia muingi kaomba kwithirwe kithirwe inyana nkinya gwikirwo wonjego ugatwika muchwanda ura wiritwe mbunge nene ukurukirite kiri bunge ya seneti ugukuruka ntubura kiama gia kurwana ngunkumo ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya gikuregana nabu.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission continues to oppose the amendments that were introduced to the Conflict of Interest Bill by the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. This is a proposed legislation that concerns county governments as well, and that is the reason why the Conflict of Interest Bill was sent to the Senate by the National Assembly for consideration. And when the bill went there, the Senate mutilated that bill and introduced several provisions that are going to cripple the fight against corruption if the bill is proposed in the manner suggested.
Kuringana na mwaria wa kiama giki kia EACC Eric Ngumbi ari mbari chechogoria ariuga muchwando uyu gatigira magambe 18 maramegie mamilioni na mamilioni ma mbecha cia kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi magutejanirua na magamba 50 megie thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru magutejanirua. Gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ari umwe wa mangavana 10 ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya marama kugwetanirua no tumiribo thuku bwa mbecha cia muingi.
So we are urging the National Assembly to review the bill, remove those retrogressive provisions, and pass the initial bill approved by the cabinet. In this area, Tharaka Nithi, the Commission is investigating various cases of embezzlement of public funds. We have about 18 cases of corruption that are under investigation relating to Tharaka Nithi County government. We have over 50 cases in Meru County involving allegations of embezzlement of public funds. Those cases are at different stages of investigations, and when complete, action will be taken based on the outcome of
Ngumbi ariuga gukurukia kwa watho bukuriuga gutire ngavana, seneta, muyumbe, minister kana muruti wira wa kithirikari akaregerwa kugwata kandarathi kana kurutaniria biashara na kithirikari. Ntubura Ngumbi akuga ikugita kiama giki maguru na kugita ruina ngunkumo maguru na kubuthiria inya.
The Senate introduced a clause in that bill that seeks to repeal the current provision under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, which makes conflict of interest a criminal offense. By decriminalizing conflict of interest, what Senate means is that henceforth, every governor, every cabinet secretary, and every other official in the government can trade directly with the government, and that is the officer themselves, their spouses, children, and immediate family members.
Kithirikiria Ngumbi ariuga barienda nkinya muchwanda ura wiritwe mbunge mubunge wa Mbeere ya Neguru Geoffrey Ruku gutejanirua. Muchwanda ura wanau ukaomba kwithirwa ukiregana na nthinje ndito irera riogo ya munturo gwatitwo na ngunkumo indi akanenkagirwa nthinje gukurukira miario na nkinya mataro.
Muswada yule wa Ruku unasema kwamba eti sasa zile kesi zote za procurement ambazo ziko na ufisadi kutoka leo zisifanyiwe criminal sanctions, badala ya watu kupelekwa kotini wafanyiwe administrative action kama counseling, warning, vitu kama hiyo. That is what administration action is. That bill is pending in Parliament, and the EACC will continue to engage the National Assembly to have those two draconian bills withdrawn.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara mbitagwa Matheni Mugambi.